In this critical Google Calendar tutorial, we are going to do something drastic. We're going to learn how to delete all events in Google Calendar. If your calendar is a complete mess, full of spam, or you just want a perfectly clean slate, this is the Nuke It All button. You've probably opened your Google Calendar and you just can't stand it anymore. Maybe it's full of thousands of old events from a bad sync, or you're just ready for a completely fresh start. You don't want to delete events one by one. You want to delete all Google Calendar events at once. I'm your host, and in this guide, I'm going to show you how to do exactly that. But first, I have to give you a very serious warning. This action is permanent and cannot be undone. There is no undo button. Because this is so permanent, I am first going to show you the most important step in this entire process: how to back up your calendar before you delete it. You absolutely must do this on a computer. The Google Calendar app on your phone does not have the settings we need to clear your calendar. To get started, your needs are very simple. You just need a computer, either a PC or a Mac, with a web browser. You will also need to be logged into the correct Google account and know your password, as you'll be navigating the main settings. All right, let's get started. Before you click a single delete button, we must save a copy of your calendar. This is your only safety net. First, open a web browser on your computer and go to calendar.google.com. Make sure you are signed in to the old account, the one you want to clear all events from. Now, click the settings icon from the top. From that menu, select Settings. This will open a new page. You'll see a button that says Export and Import. Go ahead and click that button. Now click on Export. Google will package all your events into a single .zip file and download it to your computer. Find this file, unzip it, and you will see an ICS file. This .ics file is your entire calendar. Save this file somewhere safe. Do not proceed until you have this file. Now go back and see all calendars. Now, hover your mouse over that calendar name and click the three dots that appear. From that menu, select Settings and Sharing. Now, I want you to scroll all the way to the very bottom. At the bottom of the page, you will see a section called Remove Calendar. You will see a button labeled Delete. This is the button we need. When you click this on your primary calendar, Google knows you can't delete the calendar itself, so it will do the next best thing: delete all events from it. If you're on a secondary calendar, this will delete the calendar and all its events. Go ahead and click Delete. A very serious warning box will pop up. It will say something like, "You are about to permanently delete all events on this calendar. This action cannot be undone." This is your last chance to turn back. If you are 100% sure you want to wipe your Google Calendar, you must click Permanently Delete. After you click it, you might have to wait a few minutes. Google is now in the process of deleting every single event, every meeting, and every reminder you've ever had on that calendar. When you go back to your main calendar view, it will be completely, beautifully empty. I cannot stress this enough. The export backup is not an optional step. It is the most important part of this tutorial. It is your only undo button. Remember the difference between your calendars. If you're deleting a secondary calendar you made called Work, the delete button will remove that calendar from your list entirely. If you're deleting your main primary calendar, the delete button will just clear all events, but the calendar itself will remain, now empty and ready for a fresh start. What if you run into problems? The most common issue is, I can't find the delete or export button. This is almost always because you are on the Google Calendar mobile app. You must be on a computer using the full website to access these settings. What if you deleted it all by accident and you did make a backup? You're in luck. Just go back to the settings, the gear icon, and on the left click Import and Export. You can now use the Import Is tool to upload that .ics file you saved, and all your old events will be restored. So we have reached the end of our guide. We've learned how to delete everything on your Google Calendar in a safe and controlled way. We learned the single most important step, which is to export a backup of your calendar before you do anything else. And then we walked through the simple but final steps of going into Settings and Sharing, scrolling to the bottom, and clicking Delete to clear all events and get that fresh start. I truly hope this guide helped you take control of your digital schedule. If it did, please give this video a like. It's a simple click that really helps the channel. And if you're interested in more guides on how to manage your digital life, be sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Finally, I have a question for you. Why are you doing a complete Google Calendar wipe? Are you starting a new job, fixing a bad sync, or just decluttering your life? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching.